Good evening, I'm meteorologist Vicki Knapp, and this week I've gotten a couple questions and a couple photos asking what is this light display that I'm seeing in the state line? Well, it's actually something quite rare to be seen in North America, and these are called light pillars. And the reason they're rare this far south is because it requires extremely cold atmospheric conditions. So what happens is in the atmosphere, there are a bunch of tiny ice crystals. Now in typical winter conditions, these stay a little bit further above the surface. But when we have extremely bitterly cold conditions, they form closer to the ground. And these ice crystals will actually reflect artificial and natural light. So throw in a street light or a light on a building, and what happens is that light gets reflected by these tiny ice crystals. Now here's the cool part, the optical illusion. The human eye sees these reflections instead of an orb as a pillar of light, and the reflections also take on the color of the light source. So that's how we're treated to these streaks of red, green, and yellow light in the sky during these bitterly cold conditions. So yes, we've had to deal with breaking cold this winter, but at least we've got to enjoy this spectacular and rare atmospheric phenomenon.